Wow, a trilobite! Look at that! It's so ancient! And there's more to explore over the sea. Let's go! Whoa! If we don't stabilize this 500 million year time jump in 10 seconds, my juice box isn't the only thing that's gonna explode! Phew, just a normal Tuesday here at Evind Lab. I'm Evind, and today we're playing with fire. I mean, ancient Earth.
You see, Earth 500 million years ago is like a wild beast, but I've got the ultimate treat to tame it. Ready to see the secret?
Don't tell my mom about the mess, and I'll show you how this tiny secret controls the universe.
Hold your breath. 5 chapters of pure genius starts now.
Why does the Cambrian Earth even exist? Is it magic? No, it's pure logic, my friends.
500 million years ago, the land was a giant, boring desert. No trees, no flowers, just rocks. Failed experiment number 1. The land wasn't ready for life yet. It was too harsh.
But the water, that's where the real party was happening.
The big question is, how did life suddenly decide to get so weird?
It's called the Cambrian Explosion. Not a boom explosion, but a zoom of life.
I tried to recreate it in the lab, but I just ended up with a very salty broth.
The secret ingredient? Oxygen. Lots and lots of it.
The world was shifting, making new homes for everyone.
The weather was crazy, but life found a way to survive.
Before this, life was just soft blobs. Boring, right?
Then, boom! Everyone started wearing armor like tiny knights.
More oxygen equals more energy. More energy equals bigger bodies.
Some designs didn't work. Evolutionary oopsies.
Wait, did something just try to walk on land? Not yet, little guy.
If the Earth stayed like this, we'd all still be living in puddles.
The case of the missing fossils was solved by looking deeper into the rocks. Ha ha ha!
The sun was a bit dimmer, but the oceans were warming up.
This wasn't just magic. It was the ultimate biological upgrade.
But how does a world without a spine actually work?
Check this out. Ancient Earth works just like a giant cosmic toy. Look at these gears turn.
Meet the trilobite, the ultimate multi-tool of the sea.
They had sections. You could add more or take them away. Modular design. They were the first to have high-tech eyes made of calcite. Real rock star vision.
Yeah. See? The design was so good. We still use a version of it today.
The machine needs fuel. Who eats who? Let's look at the menu.
Plankton at the bottom, powering the whole system like tiny batteries.
And here's the boss, the Anomalocaris, the first apex predator.
Snap, snap! It used these great appendages to grab its lunch. How How did soft animals stay upright? Physics! They were like water balloons.
Oops, too much pressure. It's a delicate balance down here.
Ah! Evolutionary engineering. If you don't want to be eaten, grow spikes. Huh.
This one is so weird, and scientists didn't know which side was the head. I think both sides are silly.
The ocean's chemistry was the oil in this giant machine.
Filter feeders were like the vacuum cleaners of the sea, keeping it tidy.
And look, the Pikaia. It has a tiny rod in its back. That's the start of US.
Thanks for the backbone, Grandpa Pikaia.
Everything was connected. One change, and the whole machine shifts.
But where did they get the energy to grow so fast? The hidden power of the Cambrian is stronger than 1 billion chocolate bars. It's unstoppable.
The secret power is the Hox genes. They are like the master blueprints for bodies.
Change one gene, and you get a leg where an antenna should be. Don't try that at home.
Some creatures used light as a weapon. Flashbang! You can't see me!
The oceans were full of dissolved minerals. It was like a free building supply store.
Life learned how to turn water into stone. That's how shells were born.
They were moving 10 times faster than life 100 million years before. Speed is power.
And brains. Simple brains were starting to light up like little light bulbs.
The power of community. The first reefs were being built right now.
The CO2 was dropping and the O2 was rocking. It changed the whole planet's battery.
Erosion from the land brought fuel into the sea. Earth was feeding the ocean.
The power of disguise. Now you see me, now you're dinner.
Ha! This power was so strong, it's still written in our DNA today.
This was the era of the arms race. Better armor, better teeth, better everything.
Agility! The power to dodge and weave changed the game.
Visual power. Seeing your enemy before they see you is the ultimate cheat code.
Just like me after desert, the Earth was hyperactive.
Complexity was the new normal. No more simple blobs.
What does this mean for our future? Let's take a leap.
In the future, Cambrian biology will help us build schools on the moon and flying pizza deliveries.
Imagine houses that grow their own armor from the air. Just like shells. We can use modular engineering, inspired by ancient bugs, to build moving cities.
Supercomputers that use bioluminescence instead of electricity. Super green.
Spaceships that swim through the atmosphere using fluid dynamics from 500 million years ago.
Medicines derived from ancient genetic codes could help us grow back lost limbs.
Genetic repair kits for everything. Even my broken robot Z0.
Maybe that's a bit too many arms, Z0.
If the sea levels rise, we just move back to our old Cambrian homes.
We could even bring these cool guys back as pets. Who wants a five-eyed dog?
By studying the past, we predict how life will evolve on other planets.
Alien worlds might be having their own Cambrian explosion right now.
We'll use ancient Earth secrets to turn red deserts into green gardens.
Future fashion. Indestructible, stylish, and very ribby.
Clean energy harvested from synthetic ancient algae. No more pollution.
The future is going to be weird, and weird is wonderful.
From the bottom of the ocean to the edge of the galaxy. Oh, it's all connected.
The lessons of 500 million years ago are the blueprints for tomorrow.
History isn't just behind us. It's the path forward.
But wait. There's one final test. Are you ready?
Can we master the secrets of the Cambrian before the timer hits 0? It's now or never, junior scientists.
Correct! Next. What gas made everyone grow big?
Oxygen.
You're on fire. Not literally, don't worry.
This shell belongs to the Vivoxia. High five.
Which creature gave us our backbone? Hurry!
Pikaia! You've got the spine for this, literally. Ooh.
Wait, is it true that land had trees 500 million years ago?
No! False! Land was a desert! Good job seeing through the trick.
Stabilize the oxygen levels. Too much, and we'll all be giants.
Egg. There we go. Just right for evolution.
Name them all in 3 seconds. Just kidding, I can't even do that.
Assemble the Hox Gene Master Code. Blue, purple, green, go!
The blueprint is complete. We've cracked the Cambrian code.
The time portal is shrinking. We need one last fact to escape.
What is the most important thing about science?
Always asking why. That's the key to the universe.
Hang on to your lab coats. We're going home.
Boom! Science win.
Total genius level achieved! Phew! We did it! 500 million years ago isn't so scary when you're a genius, right?
You're now officially a senior junior scientist at the Evind Lab. I'm so proud of you.
Want more brain power? Smash that button and join my next big adventure! Stay curious, stay messy, and never stop asking why. See you soon! Evind Lab, where tiny humans discover big science. Don't forget to share our secret.